Hey there, content creators and aspiring authors. Are you tired of the daunting task of writing and designing your own ebooks? Well, look no further because we have the perfect solution for you. Introducing Designrr, the ultimate tool for creating professional and stunning ebooks in just minutes. Whether you're starting from scratch or importing existing content, Designrr has got you covered. Let's dive in and explore the amazing features this tool has to offer. With Designrr, you have the flexibility to either start from scratch using our Word Genie feature or import your existing content from PDF, Word, Google Docs, or even web pages. Simply enter the URL and let us do the work of loading the content in the background, removing all the unwanted elements. Designrr offers hundreds of customizable templates that cater to every niche and business. From fonts and styles to images and colors, you have full control over the design of your ebook. Not only can you create visually stunning ebooks, but you can also increase traffic to your business by publishing them to directories and websites. Additionally, using ebooks as lead magnets can help you generate more leads and add subscribers to your email list. With Designrr's easy-to-use design editor, you can make any changes to your ebook quickly and easily. Edit text, import more documents, and preview your changes in real time. The possibilities are endless when it comes to building a better business with Designrr. One-click export produces a beautiful ebook ready for publishing. Whether you choose a PDF or animated flipbook format, Designrr has got you covered. You can even customize the cover image and add automatic page numbering, table of contents, and customizable headers and footers. Designrr makes it easy to create, design, and launch stunning ebooks and reports in just minutes. Designrr is the ultimate tool for content creators and authors who want to take their work to the next level. With features like Word Genie, customizable templates, and easy publishing options, Designrr saves you time, money, and effort. Don't miss out on this special offer and join over 300,000 satisfied customers from 83 countries who are loving Designrr. Get lifetime access now and start creating professional ebooks today. Click the link in the description to get started. This special offer is available for a limited time only, so take advantage of it and secure the best price today.